So right now I'm motoring across the lake again against the wind. I'm gonna spin it around and try to do speed, you know, just to rev the engine up a little bit more than normal. Every once in a while I like to do this. Going downwind across Little Lake Conway in a second. Alright, here we go on the speed run. Right now I'm going at 4.5 miles an hour, accelerating 5, 6, 9, 7. I did a engine rev test and I got up to like 10 or 11 miles per hour, which doesn't seem fast, you know, compared to a car, but in the boat it is fast. The problem is the hull is so light that the bow comes way up, and I got up to about 11 miles an hour, and I could feel it starting to plane. I could feel the you know, the wave underneath my foot, underneath me, and I'm in the back of the boat. So basically towards the end, I wasn't moving the throttle, and it was the boat was still accelerating. And then at some particular point the engine sped up a little bit more. I think it was actually coming out of the water, so I backed it off. It'd be fun to try with more, you know, another person in the boat to keep the bow down.